Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to apply and edit materials in your projects. Get access to a wide range of popular material brands to recommend the best options for your clients' projects. At the top of the screen, in the Materials tab, you'll find panels for cabinets, countertops, paints, appliance finishes, glass, tiles, and flooring. Click on the surface you want to apply or edit, then choose the material you want from our free library. You can also search by color if you don't have a specific brand or model number in mind. Clicking again narrows the selection to a smaller section. You can also hold Control and left-click to select or unselect specific cabinet sections. VORTEK Spaces enables you to copy and edit materials so you can customize them to your needs. To do so, right-click the material and select Copy and Edit. In the Properties tab, you'll find many options to explore. The rotation, the scale, the appearance, the grout width and color, and the pattern options. If you can't find a specific texture, or if you simply want to import your own picture in a picture frame, Spaces lets you import your own images. To do that, click on the surface where you want to apply the material, then click on Import Image. Here's a tip I use often. Tap the heart icon to save materials to your favorites and access them quickly anytime. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.